Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So today I'm walking you guys through on how to sell any cryptocurrency on a peer-to-peer platform using Binance. So before we get started, I want you to subscribe and like this video. So looking at the Binance interface here, you see a peer-to-peer trading. If you click on peer-to-peer trading, you will see USDT, BTC, BDUSD, BNB, and others like that, and other coins that Binance, like, can trade on Binance on their peer-to-peer platform. So, but first, you need to move your funds, the crypto you want to trade on peer-to-peer. You need to move it from spot wallet to peer-to-peer wallet. So, for you to do that, you go to your wallet, you click on the wallet icon here, click on it, then on the upper part here, you will see peer-to-peer, spot, margin, futures. So go to peer-to-peer, you click on peer-to-peer. So I've make some fund available so that we can use as practical for this video. So yeah, I'll be using USDT. So you click on transfer. So you are transferring from spot wallet to peer-to-peer. So you press this exchange, like the ladder icon here. So press it. So it's going to switch from peer-to-peer, from spot wallet to peer-to-peer. So but the coin I have on guard for this video is USDT. So USDT. So the whole of the USDT 100%, that's maximum. Then transfer. So once you click transfer, it will pop this up. You can click on this, or you go back to the home page of the Binance interface, and then you click on peer-to-peer trading. So it will bring this page for you, but we are selling. So you switch it to sell. You click on sell at the upper part. So I'm selling USDT. If it's BTC you are selling, you choose BTC. If it is BUSD, choose it, and so on. But I'm selling USDT, so I will click on USDT. Then I will filter it. See, let me filter it. So now I'll be looking for the upper part of these are people that are accepting airtime. So, but I don't want airtime. I want cash. So this guy rating is 83%. It's too low for me because it might not later complete the trade. So this guy is 97%. Okay, this is still okay. 98. Okay, let me go for this 97%. So then I will press all. I will input my bank account. Then so this vendor will pay within 30 minutes. So click on sell. So this vendor is saying that if I don't make payment in 10 minutes, kindly call me. Payment below 20,000 will start a deduction fee of 15 naira. So that's the standard terms and condition in which I saw before choosing it. So also, if case you want to exchange any coin and which is not listed here, what you need to do is first of all convert the coin to USDT. Then you can now sell your USDT, or convert the coin to any coin that's available here. Then you can now sell it. So that's all about selling your cryptocurrency for Naira. So thank you very much for watching these videos. Please subscribe and like this video. Have a good day.